Hello, my name is Frozone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first of many videos on how to make some bread online. Before we dive into that though, I want to say that if you don't want to miss any updates or any new videos, you should consider to join the Discord in the description and follow me on all my socials. Now that we got that out of the way, we can start with the real shit. This video will be an introduction on the methods I use and some of the services I offer that you can get to have a better starting point if you'd like to start making some of that bread yourself. Check the Discord for more info. Today, I will talk about the catfish method, how to start, and make a step-to-step guide so that you cannot mess it up. First of all, you will need a fresh IG account. Then you need to find pictures of the same girl so that you can make a believable profile. And for that, on my Discord, I personally sell a 1.3 terabyte plus extra mega pack for only $10. Other sellers tend to overprice the pictures they sell, but since I want to make y'all start easier and with less risk, I downed the price so that it was better for me and y'all too. As I was saying, you need to make a believable account, and this is how I made mine. You need to make at least 3 to 4 posts to be believable, and obviously not post them all in one day. I suggest to post every day for at least 1 week. Same thing for the stories. Don't post them all at once and have at least 2 highlights where you show your model better, and maybe promote another account if you decide to make more than one. And remember to private your account. It is very important, and I will explain why in a moment. Oh, and if you want, you can DM me on Discord for the hashtags I use to get more traffic and more thirsty creeps to get money from for free. Link in the description. After that, you will need to make a bio. Do not, and I repeat, do not say that you are offering nudies for money. Creeps are stupid, and I bet that some of them will still think that you are a real girl. But most of them know that if there is anything between the lines of photos for money in the bio, then it's probably a fake account. In my accounts, I just say my age, my location, and if you want to exaggerate, you can also say the school you are in, but that's your call. You can also add your Snapchat account. I will be making a more detailed video on how to set it up, find creeps, and use it for catfishing, so stay updated. Now that your account is set, there is only one thing remaining, which is finding creeps. I sell a list of websites and Discord servers to find them for only $5, so if you'd like to get it, just join the Discord. Another method is to go on the search bar and look for the hashtags OnlyFans and OnlyFansGirls. Now go in the comments of posts with these hashtags and follow all the old heads that comment with compliments, fire emojis, hearts, etc. Since most of them are lonely and thirsty, they will want to see your account from your profile pic. But because it is set to private, they'll have to follow you to see what you're posting, and you will gain free followers that are into your niche, which are hot girls. So, if one day you'll want to post a reel, or post you will get to the right audience. Now for the easiest part. When you will accept all those thirsty oldies, they will feel special and think they would have a chance with the model you are using in your account, and they will hit you up. From there is easy bread. Just fake some interest back for them, say your rent is due and you are short for a couple $100, and offer them nudies for some of that green and boom. You made your first money catfishing. For the payments, I suggest you use PayPal or Cash App since they are the most popular and have worked for me. And there you have it. A complete step-to-step guide on how to start your journey with catfishing. Remember to follow me here on YouTube and my other socials to not miss any free tutorials, and join the Discord for all the questions, infos on the packs, and all the other services I offer. Let me know in the comments on what I should make the next video about, and I hope you found this one helpful. Frozone's out.